how to sign up FlipaClip account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a FlipaClip account in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, if you haven't already, just head over to the Google Play Store and download the FlipaClip app. And here, once it's installed, simply open the app. And once you have opened the app, you will see the interface like this. So here you just need to enter your age, and once you're done entering your age, just tap and continue. And after that, FlipaClip will ask you some questions, so just answer the question, or if you don't want it, you can simply skip it. And here, once you're done with that, it will show you some animation. So you can just tap on play, and after the video ends, you'll be redirected to the FlipaClip homepage, and that's it. Now your account is created and you are ready to start animating. And that's how you can sign up for a FlipaClip account quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.